Hello friends, it's Danny of Danny's Dreams. Today I'm here to share some bookmarks that I recently made. I am joining a local book club, something that I've always wanted to do. I've joined a couple virtual book clubs, but they haven't quite been what I've wanted. I've wanted to join one where you actually talk about the books you read. And so I'm super excited. I know one of the ladies that is starting this. I used to work with her and she is so sweet. And so I'm just super excited. So we had our first meeting on the last Saturday. I'm filming this beforehand, so I don't know how it's going to go, but I'm hopeful that it goes really well. So I decided a great way to kick off this book club would be to give the members who show up some bookmarks. So I used the Scrappy Boy bookmark and toppers die set. This is such an amazing die set. I absolutely positively love it. Yeah, it's my favorite bookmark set I think ever, and so many possibilities and shapes, and yeah, absolutely love it. And you will be seeing a lot of Scrappy Boy stamps show up on my channel because I'm sort of kind of obsessed with them lately. So yeah, check them out. All the all the links are in the description box. But such a fabulous stamp company. Well, stamp, die, stencils, you name it company. It's very unique. Yeah, I'm in love. You'll be seeing a lot. So I also use the Scrappy Boy Stamps I Love Reading paper. And I use the Scrappy Boy Stamps Cute Girls Book Lovers. What a fabulous, fabulous stamp set for those of you who like to read. All right, so I made 10 bookmarks and I made them all unique. So here we go. Not so many books, so little time. They're just like my tags, just cardstock on the back, so it gives it kind of some weight. And I colored them all a different scheme, I guess you could say. A lot of times when I'm doing multiples, I do like assembly line coloring, like I color all the skin and then everything, and then all the hair and then the clothes. But my husband was like, you should do them individually. So that's what I did. And I really had a lot of fun. It was fun to practice different skin tones and hair and just so much fun. I used Copics and Ohuhu Markers. Here's the second one. I really love how this book turned out. Just really pretty. And the hair was a different combination than I've used before, and I really liked it. And then we have this one with her littles. Reading is an adventure that never ends. So many books, so little time. I added some little freckles on her to go with her reddish orange hair there. And there's another one of her. Trying to get them all in the camera there. And there's another one with the pink. And then a book a day keeps reality away. If this was on a card, I would have used glossy accents on the glasses and the cup. But since it's a bookmark, I didn't think it would be good to have that. So, and there she is in a little bit darker skin tone, which I'm still learning how to do, but I thought it turned out pretty good. And then this one, my husband said it reminded him of old lady hair. Black is so tricky, and so I always add blue with it, but I like how it turned out. And then the last one is another Reading as an Adventure with the two littles. And let's see if I can get them all. Let me move the camera just a touch, and let's see if I can get them all laid out here for you. So I'm hopeful that the meeting goes well and that everyone really likes these. I really like them, even though I use a Kindle. I thought you could use them for like a cookbook, or you could give them as gifts if they use a Kindle as well. But there are my 10 bookmarks that I made to give away at the new book club I'm joining, all using Scrappy Boy Stamps products, Copics and Ohuhu, and I used Stampin' Up! Cardstock, and I used VersaFine Onyx black ink. I can't think of the name right now. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed seeing these as much as I enjoyed making them. And until my next video, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.